Did your computer suddenly display the message, "No DHCP server was found"? It sounds technical, but the problem is actually much simpler than most people think. In this video, I'll explain what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it. Think of DHCP as your network's receptionist. Every time a phone, laptop, tablet, or smart TV joins your network, DHCP automatically gives it a unique address. Without that address, devices don't know how to communicate with the router or access the internet. In short, DHCP is what makes your home network just work when you connect. This error usually appears when your device asks the router for an IP address but never receives one. That can happen because the router stopped responding or the DHCP service itself crashed. Sometimes the device has outdated network information that causes a conflict, or the physical or wireless connection between the device and router was simply interrupted. Whatever the cause, the result is the same: no connection. But don't worry, it's fixable. The first and easiest thing to try is restarting your router. This restarts the DHCP service and often clears out those temporary communication glitches. After restarting, wait at least 2 minutes for the system to fully boot before trying to reconnect. If that didn't work, the next step is to disconnect and reconnect your device. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and forget the network entirely. This forces your device to request a fresh, brand new IP address from the router's DHCP server. Finally, you need to determine if the problem is localized to just one device. If only one device is showing this error, the problem is likely with that specific hardware. But if multiple devices are affected, you know the router is the source of the trouble. Now you know what the "No DHCP server was found" error actually means. Most of the time, it's just a simple communication hiccup. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Tech Support Hub for more Wi-Fi troubleshooting, networking tips, and router fixes.